Press Clutter. Select Color Filter. Customize the colors you want to hide. In Sonar Setup, you can adjust each split screen's frequency. Let's use Split Screen 2 as an example. Select Frequency. Select the frequency you need, or select Manage Frequencies to customize one. You can also use the custom keys to speed up the operation. Press Focus to select a split screen. Then press the custom key to switch its frequency. Move the cursor to the fishing spot you want to go. Press Select. A waypoint has been created. Select Navigate to. Choose a navigation way to start navigation. Scroll speed determines how fast the sonar scan lines are generated and moved on the screen. In Sonar Setup, select Scroll Speed. You can adjust it manually, or choose Auto, and the device will adjust it by the vessel speed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.